she looks good, man. First time I'm looking at these wheels today. God, they look good, dude. Did the barrels in black, spokes, faces in white, and dude, they look so good. For an RPF1, those are by far the best ones I've seen. Like, for me personally, those are incredible. All right, so as this place warms up, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start masking off the other two wheels, because we do have one ready to go. That one's good, so she is technically ready for the black base coat. We just have this wheel and another wheel over there that I do have to go ahead and mask off to get them ready for the color. And then once that's done, guys, we'll go ahead and get the barrels painted. Once the barrels are painted, then we can move on to the exciting part and do the faces. So guys, I'm gonna try and keep talking to a minimum today and just kind of get things done. Should be a good day. Let's get started. It looks so good, dude. I can't wait. All right, progress update, guys. So it is now 7 o'clock. Let's get her done, shall we? Alright guys, so we got those curing up, and after like 5 or 6 coats, the black, guys, is Nissan, actually a Nissan OEM 240 color. It's KH3 is this color code, super black. And then the white is this guy right here. This is the 326 super white, and it's also a Nissan color. It's probably been like 3 or 4 days, or at least probably around 3 days since the last time I was in here working on these things, so it was kind of cool to have a little bit of a break and just to chill out a little bit and not stress too much about daily uploads. So today, as you guys can see though, got them at a stage where they're ready to go. Oh man, we got the door open today, man. It's like 65 outside. So today it's the next day from when we put the base coat on the wheels. Probably not gonna paint today. I was gonna clear coat them today, but it's so humid out. A little condensation in here. It's everywhere. Everywhere. But I went ahead and we did a little test fit. We put one of the Oreos on the Z32. Check it out. Yeah. Yes. Why do RPF1s look good on literally everything? Alright guys, so it has been another few days since I've last picked up the camera. I think I just need a little bit of a break. Things are going to be a little bit different as far as format wise on the channel. We're going to try out a different little style, but we're not going to really talk about that. Let's just kind of get into making some awesome videos and we'll just go from there. So guys, today we're going to go ahead and try and get the clear coat on these wheels. I just want to get them complete and finished and done. I'm going to do 2 at a time just because my table first off is not big enough to fit all 4 wheels up at once. So 2 at a time. We're going to do passenger side first, driver side second. Just, you know, again, I told you guys before, always start with passenger side things if you guys can, just to kind of get a feel for it. We got to make sure we're comfortable with the gun and the motions. All right, here we go. Let's get some clear coat on these things, eh? Let's do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we have two of the wheels. These are new. We just prepped the, well, these need to be painted is what I'm trying to say. The other two are in the car. You can just see one there. Bit of runnage action here and there. I'm trying to figure out this gun. So yeah, you know, I got a little hot beverage. So shout out to all my English tea drinkers out there. So here's the deal with this thing. 3M AccuSpray kit. Now with this dial up here kind of controls the fan as to how much paint comes out, you know what I mean? And you should be able to get like a straight up direct little dot almost. I can't seem to get that. And that would help a whole hell of a lot when I'm just kind of in there trying to get in underside the spokes and stuff like that, because the majority of my runnage happened on the top side of these spokes because I'm trying to get in here, and every time I'm trying to get in here, it's a whole lot harder to get clear on a kind of a slanted surface than obviously hitting it straight up and down. If we could get in there and get it real nice, it'd be super easy, but it's because of the fan that it continues to overlap and layer up paint on the other, you know, on other places. Another thing I kind of realized, I'm recoating way too quickly, so I need to slow it down as far as recoat times. I need to wait like 5 to 10 minutes at least, you know, definitely 5 minutes at least. We also have a bunch of parts coming for the Z, wheels, coilovers, other parts. You guys do not want to miss out. Subscribe, stay tuned.
Alright, we're out of clear coat, like completely, so we're done no matter what. Luckily, I was able to kind of, well, I'm like 95% sure I got everything covered. Fingers crossed, man. Everything went well. Definitely still wish I was, sorry, I still got my mask on. I could probably take it off, actually.
Oh yeah, it's fresh in here. Thank God for that exhaust fan. So it definitely went better than last round as far as run wise. However, I still could have gotten, I still wish I could have got that like just direct kind of feed instead of a fan. I always have a fan, I don't know why. Even with it shut and the air pressure proper at the gun, with full material coming out, still, I don't know why it's being like that, but it just does not wanna give me a direct little point. So it would have made everything a whole lot easier as far as getting inside the spokes without kind of worrying about overspray, or excuse me, running. But we're good, man. They're still very, very wet. I literally just finished, just dropped the camera, or just put the gun down, should I say. But yeah, man, these are gonna look super good. So even the other wheels that I painted probably, what, like 2-3 days ago now, they're still not completely hardened just because of how cold it is in the shop. Oh, it's a part. Ooh, it's warm in here. That's nice. Yep. So we just got ourselves a little bit of an oven going on in there just to get those cured up quicker, because it's not going to get any warmer outside. Well, it will eventually, but not anytime soon enough. And we'll have those things yanked out within about an hour or so, and we'll kind of get a real good look at them. I did kind of see I was probably a little bit light in a couple spots on the wheels. It kind of sucks because I kind of knew we were getting low on clear. I really didn't anticipate it would go through through a full can, a quart. But I guess you gotta anticipate the amount of waste to material. There's a lot of waste, you know, when you're just kind of shooting the paint. So kind of, I guess, didn't take that into consideration. So make sure you guys be aware of waste if you're painting like brake calipers, wheels. I feel like those are little things that use up more material than you anticipate. So yeah. Alright guys, it is now, I don't know, day 3, or, well, oh god, I don't know how many days we've been spending on these wheels, but honestly it's just really been the weather that has been holding us back. This cold temperature has not been too friendly lately. However, why does this look so weird? Hang on. Alright, there we go, that's a little bit better. So here they are, man, all in their glory. I'm super excited about these things, you know, just a little Oreo action going on. And then maybe tomorrow, or let's see, tomorrow, because I got the tires right there. Tomorrow or Wednesday, today is Monday, I'm gonna go ahead and get these things mounted. Now, I did notice like a little bit, this is where I was a little bit light on the clear coat because I kind of ran out. You guys can maybe see that finish. A little bit orange peely right there, whereas if we come over here, you know, it's It's quite glossy. Oh, actually, I'll also show you guys the insides, because that's also a big part of the job. What's this? Oh, okay, that's just kind of... So these came out mint as well. Like, tell me that's not awesome. Yeah, they're looking good. I'm happy. You know, obviously could be better. We're learning a lot, guys. We're learning a lot. I'm just happy to say that I did it myself. I feel like that's the coolest part. Even if there's a mistake or flaw here and there, it's really not that big of a deal. But yeah, I mean, the design is there. I'm happy with how they came out, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Here I am thinking white would be easy to spray. No, and wheels definitely make it a whole lot trickier because you got kind of so many angles and shades and shadow areas and stuff like that. So we're gonna be done for today though, guys. I just want to get these wheels done. I'm sorry. I do apologize for the lack of content. I just kind of I guess maybe just needed a break. We got so many parts coming for the Z, guys. So you guys definitely do not want to miss out. And we also gonna start railing and romping on the S14 build here as well. Get this thing complete and get her done. So my car is almost complete, guys. We just got the wheels to do. I got to clear coat the underside of the hood, which I don't know. I was gonna maybe do that today, but we'll kind of see how that goes. We have to do that. Bumper needs to be. I'm gonna be working on the bumper today. Get that thing ready, finished, so it can be wrapped. I have definitely missed you guys. Hopefully you guys are stoked to see some content back up on the channel. I really want to continue to, we're not stopping by any means. I really want to try and ramp up the pace again. Maybe not daily, just because, until we get a team and we can actually kind of, back that up with the support. Daily it probably won't be a thing, and whatever. But maybe every other day, every other day or something like that, we'll definitely have some content coming up for you guys. Like I said, a lot of stuff happening. I know I've been talking. It's been a while since I've been, kind of updated you guys as to what's going on. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, stay notified. All the social media, as always, is down below. Stickers, guys, if you could go ahead and grab one, would really help out the channel. You guys should be getting those here to your door here soon. They should be getting there shortly. I'm sorry for the wait, but everyone's order will be sent out and at their door within no time. Alright guys, I'm out. I'm gonna get to work. I'll see you guys in the next one. Probably see the wheels getting mounted, but I'll see you guys then. Take her easy. Peace.